Hello, I'm Winnie Truong. We're at Contemporary Calgary for my show, Curious Nature. I'm showing these brand new sculptural works that I'm really excited about. And for me, they're this part of my practice of expanding beyond, the 2D paper plane with drawing into, entire living worlds. They're the first time you get to encounter the work in complete 3D space where you can navigate all sides. The limbs and leaves of the work are completed at every aspect so that there is this sort of trompe-l'oeil. You get to see almost a living version of these diorama works which are captured. And while 3D, they are still these containers that limit our own viewing of the pieces. Within this exhibition, I'm also including 3 animations, one of them completely new, debuting at the show, titled Seed Vault. Throughout my practice, I'm interested in animation as a means to bring life to these dioramas. So when I'm compositing the works that you see on the walls behind you, there are so many hidden elements of narrative at play when I'm actually moving things from one piece to another. Even something as simple as the articulation of a limb or, the bend of a petal, creates these new suggestions of atmosphere and emotion. So the animation is a way to encapsulate this time-based perspective of what's happening in these dioramas. The wall installation was first an idea that I had when I was doing artist residencies as a means to create these portable pieces of art, this sort of arsenal of little disparate bits and bobs that then, I display as a sort of hanging garden gesture beyond drawing. I've always worked with drawing as the focus of my practice, and, throughout my development, I've always been interested in pushing the boundaries of drawing, its potential to create something both monumental and also fragile. For me, there is this sort of playfulness, awkwardness, and grotesqueness to a lot of these works. I see paper and colored pencil as this almost juvenile tool that we've all accessed throughout our lives to create little drawings and sketches and cutouts and illustration and pop-up books. There is an allure and a language that stems from something that is very, captivating and colorful, but from which I use that to convey, the stranger details of the worlds I've built. My exhibition, Curious Nature, runs until August 25th at Contemporary Calgary. I hope you can all make it to the show.